Waikato te awa katohia katohia he wai.
Tēnā koutou katoa. Greetings everybody. He Piko he Taniwha is an immersive cultural experience that invites everybody onto the Waikato River. It extends the Hamilton Arts Festival beyond theatres and into the living landscape, where stories are carried by the river, the people and the whenua around us. On the journey, participants share cultural narratives, waiata, and ceremonial practices connected to the Waikato River, the Hamilton Gardens and waka heritage. You'll explore Te Parapara Māori Garden, then paddle a waka together on the river.
This is a fully participatory experience. You're not watching from the sidelines. You're part of the journey from beginning to the end. Seeing the Te Ara Peka Peka bridge installation from the water is incredibly powerful. It completely shifts your perspective. Our hope is that people leave with a deeper respect for the Waikato River, Hamilton Gardens, and waka heritage.
And a sense of having shared a meaningful cultural experience together. These are small, intimate tours, so places are limited. If this speaks to you, I'd encourage you to book early.
No mai haere mai whānau, get your tickets now.
Te kingitanga te tongi whakamutunga a mātu taera au e hoki au e.